And here in Primary Challenge Math, Chapter 6, Einstein level number 5, we have Eric, and he was trying to follow this recipe. So he said, well, I'll follow this recipe. But then, accidentally, he put in 5 cups instead of 4. And so how much will he have to change everything else by? Okay. Well, did he double the recipe? Is it double? Well, no, it's not double, because then that would be if he had put in 8 cups. Did he reduce the recipe? Did he cut it in half? No, it's more than 4, so he didn't cut it in half. And so this is one of those tricky ones. So what does 5 equal? So 5 equals 4 plus 1. And what is 1? Well, 1 is a fourth of 4. So what he did is he added a 4th extra flour. So we want to add a 4th to all of our other things. Okay, so we want to do 1 cup of sugar times 1 1/4, so a 4th more. So we say, okay, that's not bad, right? We take the cup of sugar plus a 4th of the cup of sugar, and that's just 1 1/4. So we'll do 1 1/4 cups of sugar. What about the 2 cups of oats? Okay, so we have 2 times 1 1/4. So we say, okay, times 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times a 4th, well, if you have a 4th and another 4th, you get a half. Okay, so what will we get for the oats? We're going to have, I'll write that in red, we're going to have 2 1/2 cups of oats.